once again, I'm ready to change up my window boxes. I'm ready to go for a fall look. And if you remember back in the spring, I had the pansies with the Dusty Miller. Now I took the pansies out, I left the Dusty Miller, and then I put the 2 hanging baskets, I cut them in half and then put those in here with the Dusty Miller. Well, once again, I'm gonna leave the Dusty Miller. I cleaned all of the hanging baskets, the summer stuff that I had in here, and I'm ready to go with my fall stuff. So I'm going to leave this again. So I'm getting 3 seasons out of this here, and I've chose a really pretty pinkish colored, almost a lavender pink mom, and I think it's going to look really super pretty with that. And I also am going to put, I've got some celosia. These 2 colors with the frosty look of that Dusty Miller, it's going to look gorgeous. In order for me to get these to fit in the window boxes, what I did was I just took off a big chunk of that side so that it's flat on that side. It's not going to hurt it. There's still lots of really good roots in here. I just kind of peeled off a section of that so that it's not so big, so that it will fit down inside here better. So I'm going to go every other one, the celosia, then the mom, celosia. And what I'm going to do with this one as well is I'm going to have, because it's too wide this way, I'm going to go ahead and just peel off one side of it right here. And there's like I said, it's got a lot of good roots in there, so it's not gonna harm this plant at all. You can even loosen some of these roots through here. So I definitely have to cut some of the Dusty Miller off because it's so large. In order to get all of this to fit in, I'm gonna just take some of it off. I had to do that whenever I was planting the the summer basket as well, because it had gotten so large. This stuff, especially when you fertilize it, it really takes off.